Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how you can film outside. Filming outside is a great way to spice up your videos, but there's a few things you need to think about when doing this, as there's more things to control outside than inside in a studio. The first thing you're going to need to think about is lighting. And there's a few things that you can do to get soft lighting. The first thing is to shoot outside on a cloudy day. The clouds act as a huge diffuser for the sun, and this can give you some great soft light. Another thing you can do is use a diffuser from a 5-in-1 reflector or a giant silk screen to produce the same soft light effect from the sun. If you want to add some depth to your shots through some harsher lighting, you can either use lights with batteries, because you're not going to have outlets near you, or reflectors from a 5-in-1 reflector to bounce light or shine light onto your subject or character, and this will add more depth to your shots. The next big thing to think about is audio quality, and the first thing that you can work on for audio quality is to stay away from cars and people and other outside noises that could interrupt your recording. You can find a secluded place outside that doesn't have too much audio, and also use tools to remove some of that audio. One tool that you can use is a wind filter or pop filter, and this will remove the sound of wind blowing over your microphone, or with the pop filter will remove some of the P's and other sounds that make a pop when you're saying something into the microphone. ND filters can be used to control the amount of light coming into the aperture of your camera without changing the aperture settings or ISO settings, which gives you a lot more control over those settings to dial in the look that you want for your shot. ND filters are really great, and I use one almost all the time when I'm filming outside. Because you're filming outside and you don't have any power outlets around you, you're going to want to make sure that you have enough batteries for all your gear. This includes cameras, lights, microphones, and any other gear that requires power that you might have. And because you're outside, you're probably not going to have a place to charge them if they run out, so I'd highly recommend making sure you have extras when shooting outside. The last thing to think about when filming outside is to keep all your gear in sight, and this is good so no one picks up your gear and walks away with it. This is pretty easy to do, as most camera gear is expensive but small. So make sure you either have someone watching your gear, or you're always inside of it, or it's really close to you. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.